slime and I bang it up. We banging a win up. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these UNC Jordan 1s from KickSup. If you're new to the channel, before I get into everything, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel, and also remember to follow my Instagram at RVStuffTV. Link is in the description as always. So let's get into it, man. These took about 2 weeks to get here, give or take, from them. I think these are slated to drop soon. They haven't dropped yet, or maybe in 2021. So early little look at them. But yeah, man, just a little disclaimer: I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. And with that being said, let's get into it. This is the website they're from, kicksup.ru. Instagram is at kicksupservice, and then WhatsApp is right there as well if you want to contact them on that. Put that to the side, and here are the shoes themselves. Like I said, they took about 2 weeks to get here. Regular Jordan 1 box, nothing crazy. We'll have to see what it looks like if it gets a special box. I doubt it though. Air Jordan 1 Retro IOG, white, black, university blue. These are size 10. Suggested retail $170. There's a little RFID thing there. And yeah, besides that, regular Jordan 1 box, nothing crazy. Inside the box, got a little stamp there. Don't know what that's about. Yeah, regular paper, nothing else, just a box. End of the day, you guys are here for the shoes, not the box. So let's take a look at these, man. These are for a friend, not myself. Let's look at the left shoe first. You do get an extra set of laces on these, that being the UNC blue laces. And in general, yeah, these look good, man. These look good. So you got that nice suede. It is a little lighter in person than it is on camera, but yeah, really dope. Air Jordan. You guys can take a look at the shoe, but yeah, that Jordan logo actually looks super clean. Got the black swoosh there and that elephant leather. Nice buttery leather all throughout the shoe. Suede on the blue touches as well. Nice UNC bottom. So there's that. Yeah, overall, man, the shoe's pretty clean. Nothing we haven't seen before, but elephant print or elephant kind of texture leather all throughout the whole shoe, on the black, wherever there's black, really. So this side, same thing. So yeah, overall, shoe looks super clean. Quality's dope. This is not my first pair from KickSup. I bought quite a couple from them, so kind of not new to the rodeo with them. Nike Air on the tongue in that nice black or a blue on black action, and you got some branding underneath. So there's all that. You got the shoe tree in there. Inside the shoe, Nike Air in blue, that university blue. Black laces on these. They're not fully laced up, just like ones are supposed to come unlaced. There's a size tag as well, just so y'all can see that. Sorry if I'm sniffling. Been out all day in the cold, so that's that. But yeah, not too much else to say about the shoe. Quality is dope on these. Let me know your guys' thoughts, of course, if you're gonna cop them or whatever. But yeah, whenever these actually drop. So here's the right shoe, Air Jordan. Got the nice wings logo, super crisp even on this one. Leather is actually insane on these, not even gonna front. Leather's proper. So, and you can even see like the suede changing when you touch on it. It's actually dope all throughout the whole shoe. Good quality suede, good quality leather. Can't beat it, man. Nike Air again. Inside the shoe, on the right shoe, same thing. Nothing crazy going on. So yeah, pretty dope little review. I mean, I'm not gonna over drag it and make this video super long. Like, we already know what a Jordan 1 looks like. It's more so just about the quality of the shoe from a certain seller. But like I say, I don't condone any of the stuff on the channel. It's for educational purposes only. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. So just trying to show y'all what you'd get if you would order from one of these sellers. So dope quality though, man, not gonna lie. Really dope quality on this shoe. So, and of course I got QC pictures before they shipped as well, so that is no issue. Super clean bottom there. Yeah, not too much else to say about this. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below on this shoe. Gonna try to cop it when it comes out. Don't know if this is gonna be a GR or more of a limited release, we'll have to see. But yeah, man, definitely a dope shoe for those of y'all who like the UNC colorways. Definitely something you don't want to skip out on. So with all that being said, of a YouTube channel, show some love. For those of y'all still rocking with me, appreciate y'all. And I will keep uploading more heat, of course, and let y'all enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.